Get ready for a game changer. Garmin just announced the Fenix 8 Pro, and it's packed with features that will blow your mind. From an AMOLED display to AI integration, this watch is about to take the outdoor GPS market by storm. Imagine having a personal trainer, adventure planner, and rugged companion on your wrist. It's time to upgrade your outdoor game. Whether you're a trail runner, hiker, or just a fitness enthusiast, a Fenix 8 Pro is about to change the way you explore and train. What's up, outdoor enthusiasts? Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. This watch is rumored to be a beast, and we've got the inside scoop on its features and specs. From improved heart rate monitoring to solar power, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. If you're looking for a watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, you won't want to miss this. Display and sizes. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is set to make a significant leap in display technology with the introduction of an AMOLED screen. This upgrade promises richer colors, deeper contrast, and enhanced visibility even under direct sunlight. Compared to previous models that used MIP, memory and pixel, displays, the AMOLED screen will deliver a more vibrant and detailed viewing experience, making everything from maps to fitness stats easier to see at a glance. In addition to the display upgrade, Garmin is rumored to offer the Fenix 8 Pro in 3 distinct sizes. This allows the watch to cater to a broader range of wrist sizes, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for everyone, from those with smaller wrists to those who prefer a larger watch face. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or a fitness enthusiast, the Fenix 8 Pro's tailored sizing and advanced display technology will likely enhance your overall experience. Colors and competition. The watch is rumored to be available in slate gray, steel, and black, giving you 2 sleek options to choose from. And with the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin is aiming to compete with the Apple Watch Ultra by offering similar ruggedness and advanced features. This means you'll get a watch that can withstand even the toughest conditions, from hiking to swimming. It's time to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Heart rate sensor and AI integration. Improvements to the heart rate sensor are expected, giving you more accurate monitoring and insights. This means you'll get a better understanding of your physical condition and be able to optimize your training. Plus, there's a possibility of AI integration for personalized workout recommendations and adventure planning. Imagine having a personal trainer on your wrist, guiding you through your toughest workouts and most epic adventures. You'll get customized advice and guidance tailored to your specific needs and goals. Solar power and release date. A solar-powered version might be available, extending battery life and giving you more freedom to explore. This means you'll be able to go on longer adventures without worrying about running out of juice. And with a rumored release date of September 2024, you won't have to wait long to get your hands on the Fenix 8 Pro. Mark your calendars and get ready to upgrade your outdoor game. There you have it, folks. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be an incredible watch. With its AMOLED display, improved heart rate monitoring, AI integration, and solar power, it's the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Fenix 8 Pro and what features you're most excited about.